Hey, what's up everybody? I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to this channel, Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to use salted egg to make something again. And today I'm going to make salted egg chicken. You know that salted egg in this region, Singapore and Malaysia, it is so popular and we use salted egg to make so many different dishes. In the past, I have uploaded a salted egg shrimp before. Today I make salted egg chicken, but you know, people are using salted egg to make all kinds of things, including crackers and salted egg crispy fish skin. So many things that they use it to make just because salted egg is so delicious and the flavor is so intense. So in these videos, I'm going to show you how to prepare salted egg chicken. Let's get started. Let's quickly go through all the ingredients required to make this chicken with salted egg. So first we have the chicken. I'm using the chicken meat alone, but you can always use chicken that is on the bone with skin. It's really up to you. I cut it into small pieces like that, and then I'm going to season the chicken with some ground white pepper, some salt, and some Chinese wine and some light soy sauce. Marinate it for at least half an hour or even 1 hour, and then after that I'm going to coat the chicken with egg and also corn flour and deep fry it. And after that we put it aside and make a sauce. The sauce will consist of butter, garlic, some chili, and some curry leaves. And the most important ingredient is the salted duck egg. This is the salted duck egg. I got it from the supermarket. It is covered with some black ashes. So we need to remove it. Can you see that? We need to remove it. And after remove, the ash is going to look like that. Yeah. So basically these are the ingredients, and let's move on to how to prepare the salted duck egg sauce with the fried chicken. Alright, let's marinate the chicken. I'm going to use some ground white pepper, some salt, not too much because we have to understand that the salted duck egg is salty, so about 1/4 teaspoon. Some light soy sauce. Is really up to you whether you want to use the light soy sauce. Some people don't put it. I put a little bit, about a teaspoon or two, and some wine. Again, it is really up to you. And added with some cornstarch, just a little bit, and then mix it together. Keep it aside. Let it marinate to let the flavor penetrate into the chicken meat for about at least half hour to 1 hour. Okay, let's do that. Next, let's move on to prepare the salted duck eggs. Crack the egg open and then separate the white from the egg yolk. For today, I only use the egg yolk, and I'm going to keep the egg white for other recipes. Okay, that's how it looks like. And I'm going to steam it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it is cooked. Steam the egg yolks for about 5 to 6 minutes, so until it is cooked. Okay, 5 minutes already. Let's take a look. Now the egg yolk now is already cooked, so let's remove it. Let's get back to the chicken. Now we are going to deep fry the chicken, but before that let's coat it with some egg and flour. So I have an egg here. I only use the egg white. Okay, leave it for a while, let it flow down. And then mix the egg white with the chicken. And the egg yolk, I'll keep it for other purpose, of course. Now get some corn flour and then put the chicken that has already coated with the egg into it, and make sure that every piece of the chicken are fully covered by the cornstarch. The next thing is to fry the chicken. So heat the oil until about 160 degrees, or you can put the chopstick into it and it start to bubbling like that. That means that the temperature of the oil is now okay for deep frying. So put it in. And deep fried until it turns golden brown. I need to deep fry in batches because I do not want to use too much oil. When the chicken has turned golden brown, remove the chicken and put it into a strainer, wire mesh strainer, to remove the excess oil, and then continue the second batch. So the fried chicken is done. So now we move on to prepare the salted dark egg sauce with butter. So these are 4 egg yolks, and I'll just do this way, just mash it. Pretty easy because now it is already cooked. And you may wonder how many egg yolks I need for this recipe. I will go for 1 egg yolk for about 100 grams of meat, which means 4 egg yolks to 5 egg yolks for 1 pound of chicken meat. Alright, it's done. So next we'll prepare the butter sauce. And yes, we need some chili. Forget to cut the chili. So these are 2 chilies here. This is called bird's eye chili or chili padi, and I'm gonna cut it into small pieces. Some people just want to retain the seeds because they can take very spicy food. I can't take too spicy food, so afterwards I will remove as much seeds as possible. To remove the seed, just do this way. Put it aside, and you get the seeds. These are the seeds. And just do again. Just do that again. Remove it, and you get more seeds here. Yeah. Okay. Now we make the sauce for the chicken by using butter, garlic, chili, curry leaves, and the egg yolk. First, melt the butter over low heat so that it won't burn. When the butter is melted, add the garlic and the chili, and of course you can also add the curry leaves right now. It is a very familiar flavor. If you are a Malaysian or Singaporean, you will know this taste, definitely. After frying it over low heat for about a minute, it will start to get very aromatic. By then, add the egg yolk. And then mix it together. There are different ways of doing this. Some people at this stage they will add some evaporated milk or condensed milk, and that will make a very thin sauce. But for me, I will keep it just like that so that the flavor is more intense. Also at this stage, I would like to taste it and to check whether if I need to add any salt. Yes, I need to add some salt. The reason I need to do a test is because different batch of the salted duck egg has different level of saltiness. So this one is not really salty. There's a reason I need to add some additional salt. Lastly, just add back the chicken, mix well, and it's done. Oops. Better hold it nicely. Mix it very well so that all the butter and the salted duck eggs is all covered every piece of the chicken. Okay, it's done. So now transfer it onto a serving plate. You look at the color of the golden crispy chicken, and also the sauce. Look at the sauce. The sauce which is comprised of butter and also the salted duck egg. Wow, beautiful. So let's put all in. Yeah. Okay. Wow, look at the salted egg yolk and the chili, and I'm going to garnish it with some fresh curry leaves. And it's time to serve and enjoy. That is my salted egg chicken. Wow, look at the color and the presentation and the flavor. Just can't resist to take a bite of it. Anyway, if you want to get the recipe, I've included the recipe in the description below the video and also at the end of this video for your reference. Please subscribe, tap the notification, go home and try to make it and let me know the result. And I will see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.